see all this thing. It's funny. The musician at point in hand to do all this thing.
But now that Siegfried and Roy have decided to perform together one last time,
Roy was flying 40 feet high above.
Siegfried the thinker must design a new show that takes in the new reality of Roy the doer's current physical limitations.
Is this a completely new show, or?
And then there's some Siegfried and Roy. We have the animals there, and I have to reinvent myself.
Right.
Roy, but I think he's going to pull it off pretty well.
Roy understands how big a physical challenge he faces.
As a lead tested to the core.
You're going to be tested to the core?
Yeah. There's only two speeds for Siegfried and Roy, full and zero. If they said they're going to walk on stage, believe me, they will go on stage. They just don't know any other.
That walk back on stage began when Siegfried stepped up on a chair last year and almost quietly made an announcement that would echo loudly throughout Las Vegas.